I have a confession to make. I hate nose stalls. I hate how they look, I hate that they're called nose stalls, but most of all, I hate that I can't do them. So today, I'm gonna learn how to nose stall. I have done switch drop-ins in the past, which I thought was the hardest part of the nose stall, but I've never actually been able to get into a nose stall. So we're gonna start out by practicing some switch drop-ins. I've always struggled to get into the stall, so I'm just gonna try and go really fast and see if I can get my board up there. So the biggest thing I changed is I'd always had nose stalls kind of facing forward. So when I go up the ramp, I had a lot of trouble shifting my weight onto my front foot. So instead, I focused on keeping my shoulders parallel. So when I came up, I was able to stall on my nose. Let's see if we can get another one. Woo! So for me, I think the key to this trick was foot placement, making sure my front foot was in the pocket of the nose, same place as when I drop in switch. Timing was really important too. As you saw in the earlier attempts, I was going way too early, so waiting till the last second to shift your weight, just like a tail stall, made all the difference for me. Feels good to finally get this one. It's haunted me for a long time. But that's it for today. See you guys next time.